How to convert my Spaylater to cash. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to convert my Spaylater to cash. You are allowed to convert your Spaylater 1-month bill into installments after checkout, provided that you fulfill the following conditions. The eligible period to convert is from the day you check out the order to the day you receive the order or the order is confirmed. The order is more than 15 RM. Click on Me and click on Spaylater. Next, select Convert and then BNP Transaction. Hit the Next button and choose Tenure. Click on Confirm and the installment conversion will be successful. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.